10 things you should know on a pattern cover that will help you be successful in completing it. My name is Mondes of Mondes Threads. Welcome to my channel. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment if you have any questions, comments, or just want to have a conversation. Let's get into it. Okay, so the 10 things that you need to know before you buy your sewing pattern or while you're buying your sewing pattern. Number one is know the style. So we have the pictures of the style of dress in this sewing pattern, and it has 4 different views: view A, view B, view C, view D. So these are all the dresses that you can make out of this sewing pattern. Number 2, know if it's at your skill level. That information is also going to be here on your pattern. Learn to sew for fun. Patterns designed for beginners. So we know that this is a beginner sewing pattern. Number 3, know what size range the pattern is. So we see here that it is large, extra large, and a 2XL. So this shows you the size range. Some patterns will have the number scale, so be sure to look out for that. Number 4, know the brand. Obviously, the brand of the pattern is McCall's. There are several different pattern brands out there, but yeah, that information is going to be, again, on the pattern. Number 5, know the pattern number. So this is where we find the pattern number. This, for me, comes in handy when I want to research and see what it looks like on other people who have made this. So you can simply hashtag, if you're on Instagram, you can simply hashtag M7561, and it will show you people who have actually made this pattern, and it will show you what it looks like on them. You can also Google this pattern number, and it will show you there's people who've done pattern reviews, and it will show you all that information. Number 6, know what your body measurements are. So body measurements are usually found here on the flap. Most of the time you will see bust measurement, waist measurement, hip measurement, the back waist length, and it will give you like the corresponding sizes. So when you are buying your pattern, always match your measurements to the corresponding measurements here. If measurements overlap, let's say you have a bust of 32.5 and you have a hip of 42, always go with the largest measurement, and then you can size down, because you would rather have something big and size it down than have something small and not know what to do with it. Okay, so that's that about the sizes. Number 7, know what the back view will look like. So here we have the back views of the pattern of the dress. So this is what view A looks like, view B looks like, view C, and view D. So we see here that this has a lower back, this has a higher back, lower back, higher back. Number 8, know what you need to complete this pattern. And that is in terms of fabrics, which they give you suggested fabrics over here, and notions. So these are the things that we'll need to complete this pattern. Number 9, know the yardage that you will need. So they give you the fabric suggestions, but they give you how much fabric you will need according to the sizes here. So let's say I'm an XL. I will need for view A with fabric that is 45 inches wide, I will need about 2 3/8 yards. Okay, so that is and it says yards, so that is how much fabric we need. And finally, it doesn't hurt to know the description of the pattern. So this one says it's a close-fitting pullover dress has back, sleeves, neckline, and length variations. Bodice cut on crosswise grain. So it doesn't hurt to know all that information. So those are the 10 things you need to know about a pattern cover that will help you be successful. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found that it was helpful. Please be sure to leave me a comment to let me know, and like and subscribe. If you're interested in my bonnets, they are available on my Etsy store, Mondes Threads. Be sure to pay me a visit, and I will see you in the next video.